Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. Hope you guys are doing awesome today. Welcome to all my subscribers and my prospecting subscribers. Big up on a nice clean self. Welcome to the fun, welcome to the food, welcome to the merry making. Today we are cooking red pea soup with chicken foot and coconut milk. Sit back, relax and enjoy the cooking journey on the Eden recipe. Remember, tell a friend to tell a friend that we are having fun over here on the Hidden Recipe. Thank you. Peas is already washed and it's on its way. I add a little salt to the peas, so I'm getting rid of all the toes from my chicken foot and the excess fat. After cutting off the toes from the chicken foot, I washed them with lime juice. I normally allow the chicken foot to boil for 10 to 15 minutes. Then I would rinse it off with fresh cold water before adding it to the peas. So with that being said, sit back, relax and enjoy the cooking journey. Stick and stay. Remember, tell a friend to tell a friend. Like, comment, share. And if you haven't yet subscribed, what are you waiting on? Subscribe, subscribe, subscribe. Thank you. Watch till the end.